are going to see about sub and sub tags. So these tags are really helpful in those websites in which are educational oriented websites. So it is really helpful in those types of websites. So let us see it. Let me open up my Visual Studio Code. So today's topic is sub and sub tags. So these are the two tags which you're going to see in this video. So let me open up my preview command palette. So click it. It will be opening in few seconds. So let me open sub tag SUB. So this sub tag is really useful in what can I say, in scientific, especially in chemistry. If you could see, when we have some time when we have to write the chemical equations like CO2, O2, NO2, SO2, O3, we have lots of chemical equations there. So at that time, what can we do? If let me remove this. If I am writing CO2, I mean not like that. CO2 is a major contributor for global warming. So you can see that actually this 2 needs to come below the CO, because this is not the correct scientific value of CO2. So in this time, in this type of situation, you need this sub tag. This is the sub tag. You need these types of tag. So between this I will write sub tag. Wait a minute. So sub tag, I have opened it. You could see it actually. So you could see here that now you could see that the CO and 2 is coming below. So this is the correct format for CO2. If you are writing oxygen, just remove it. You can see this is O2. Or if you are writing H2O, you can write H2 and O here. So this is H2O. So this is useful in these types of formats, like when we are writing some equations this related to chemistry, we need those valency or valence number to be written without the chemical symbol. Then we can do this. So here the CO2. So we have finished it, and at this time I want to introduce another tag. It does not have a closing tag. This is called the BR tag. So BR. This is called BR tag actually. So BR tag is just like paragraph tag, but it leaves lots of spaces between. If you could see, I'm going to type here anything. You could see that it comes in the next line. So it's more similar to paragraph tag, but you can add lots of. If you add another, you will get another line. If you'll click another, I will get another line. So how much ever breaking tag, this is called break tag actually. So how I can add continuously lots of tags like this at the front or end of any sentence. So this will leave lots of spaces. So here I'm going to write so this is subtags function. What is subtags function? SUP, subtags function. So the use of subtags function is that if there's a competition being held in a rural, in whatever zone it is, the person who's coming in first is called a person who's coming in first place. So let me write Harry has won first prize in zonal level competition. So this is the format. Actually, if you have noticed, the word first, this word first should be above the number 1, actually first, actually if you take paint, you will see it. um, Actually first always comes like this. If you could see, first will always come like this, not like this. So this is not first, this is only first, but this is not first. So let me close this. So I want the first to be held above the number one. So I'll write at this time I'll write SUP. So this is the tag for it. So let me cut this. I mean, I had done the wrong thing. I have to cut this actually, and let me paste it here, and let me cut this and paste it here again. Wait a minute. Yeah, okay, there's another tag following it. Yeah, this is the tag actually. If you could see now, the first ST is above its default position, so this is the right format. So sub, sub tag is used for science, for science purposes when you are involving in a chemistry project. At the time when you are writing chemical codes name, at the time you can like this CO2, 2 comes below, and when you are writing an article about a competition, when you want the ST to be above, you can add, I mean, where's that? Yeah, it's here. So at the time you can add sub tag. So the easiest way to remember is that B and P are somewhat similar actually. B is facing downwards and P is facing upward. So this B is facing downwards, so sub means the number will be in the down, and the P is facing upward, so the element will also be in the upward position. So this is the easiest way to remember it. This is the end of the video, guys. Hope you like it. Please like, share and comment. See you next video. Goodbye.